name is Jim Miller, and a few years back I received PRP injections from Dr. Phan, and I'll tell you, that was a life changer. I went through about 3 years of just suffering with tennis elbow. I couldn't shake hands. You know, I was pretty active, so I played hockey, I worked out and that sort of thing, and I aggravated my tennis elbow, and you know, it just flared up, progressively got worse. I went in and you know, I talked to orthopedic guy. We tried cortisone, and then I tried physical therapy on top of that, and then that didn't work. It worked for about 6 months, and then it flared back up. So I said, well, let me try something else. So I tried a whole bunch of other things. I tried acupuncture, I tried contrast therapy, I tried a whole bunch of things. I went back to the orthopedic and wound up getting another cortisone shot. Sure enough, worked for 6 months, then flared back up again. And then a few months later, I saw him again at the gym, this orthopedic guy that I met at the gym, and he says, I said, boy, it flared up again. He goes, oh, you can come in for a cortisone shot. I thought, I don't know about 3. So I tried acupuncture, and then, chiropractic. And I met with a chiropractor, and we went through a few things, and it was okay, but that wasn't for me. There wasn't much improvement. But as I was walking out of the gym one day, I had a sleeve on my arm. The guy said, hey, what's up with your arm? And I said, oh, I got tennis elbow. He said, try PRP. So the next time I saw the chiropractor, I mentioned that to him. I said, hey, what about PRP? And he said, that's the next step. I said, oh, well, why don't we just try it? And then he referred me to Dr. Phan, and got the PRP therapy done. It had to do some contrast therapy for about a week. Hot, cold, hot, cold. I did it just the way he prescribed. A week later, my arm felt way better. A couple weeks later, I got another treatment. He recommended maybe 2 or 3. And typical guy, I was about 80% after the first treatment. So I figured, geez, if I get 80% after one, maybe 100, and then maybe even more than that after a couple. So I had a total of 3 treatments, and this was a few years ago, and since then, it has never flared up again. And it was a life changer. I couldn't shake hands. I had my hand in my pocket to shake hands in the handshake line for hockey. And I was like, what do you got, a broken arm or something? I said, no, I got a cold, all kinds of excuses just not to use my hand. Even operating the mouse was a real drag. So it was a life changer. I'm glad I did it. It was a great experience.